If you are a J25 aspirant, then you need to hear this out, especially regarding the PYQs, because at this point of time, I know the roads might be very confusing and misleading. And you might be really wondering, should I really take this particular path of solving only PYQs? Can I really get 99 percentile? Should I just complete my theory first and let's solve PYQs later on? But let me tell you, this path has been taken again and again. And with my experience, I can tell you that there are only certain things which work in the last moment. See, just PYQs is not enough for 99 percentile. But with proper PYQ practice as well as your regular test series, definitely you can get 99 percentile. But if you choose to ignore PYQs, then there is no way you can get 99 percentile and above, no matter where, which type of marks or category you are in. Now, when you are practicing PYQs, it's also important which PYQs you are practicing. If I recollect my days of preparation, I remember in the last couple of weeks and the last 1 or 2 months, we extensively focused mainly on PYQ solving. We analyzed what kind of trends are there, what the exam body, that is the NTL, loves to ask from, and understand what the examiner's mindset is. And that is only possible if you solve enough number of PYQs. And the best part, when you look at the PYQs, you will understand whatever models or types of questions or the subtopics they choose from, very similar topics they will choose in the second shift or on the first day or the second day or the third day, or sometimes even from January to April. In fact, I had done a detailed analysis where we saw that there were certain topics which are hardly asked in numerical type. Certain topics they always ask in assertion reason type. Certain topics which they always love to ask in match the following type. All this sense you will understand only when you solve PYQs. So you will not be wasting your time unnecessarily solving match the following from a chapter where they never touch those match the followings. Rather, they focus, let's say, single correct question options. So that depth of analysis only comes via practice. And when I say practice, you cannot just solve and move ahead. You have to really understand what the examiner's mindset is, which I just spoke about. Next important thing is practice the last few year PYQs, because that is the most likely trend which will continue. There will be spillover of the models of questions from the previous years to the current year. Many models will get repeated and you will be shocked to see how come this question was asked in a very similar way last year or last to last year in some or the other shift. You will also see that this will build a lot of confidence when you give your mock tests, especially whatever coaching you're joined, or maybe you are in the Vedantu's mock test series itself. You will see there is a whole different game when you go with that confidence of solving enough PYQs. And believe me when I say the last 2 year PYQs itself has more than 1300 questions, because obviously there are so many shifts, so many attempts and all of that, because of which luckily NTA has given with a ready-made question bank of PYQs. Now you might be wondering, should I just go through the PYQs, download from this website, download from that website? First of all, there is no guarantee you will cover all PYQs. Number two, there might be printing errors. Number three, solutions might not be perfect. Sometimes solutions, again, you have to Google, waste of time. And the most important thing, number four, puts a lot of strain on your eyes. Already you are watching a lot of lectures, maybe either online or on YouTube, and already you are downloading a lot of soft copies, and the look and the feel of a hard copy book is always better. And imagine getting a book something like this, which has physics, then a separate book for chemistry and mathematics. It includes all the shifts categorized in beautiful manner, chapter wise, topic wise, with detailed solutions of each and every question. All the shifts are covered, nothing is left. So that's your Vedantu book for your JEE preparation. It has all the 44 JEE mains papers and chapter wise approach. Key concepts will be easily covered because they are mentioned in the solutions properly. Also detailed solutions which will help you understand this, what is actually asked in the question and how to apply that concept. It includes all MCQs as well as numerical type, and this time numerical type there are no options also. And you also get detailed recorded classes along with this PYQ book. You will be wondering, what? Is there a CD? No, there is a QR code which you need to scan and the details will follow, and you'll get a repository of all the chapters, physics, chemistry, maths, detailed video content which is free along with this book, which otherwise you will have to spend thousands of rupees. Imagine, you can master the concepts as well. Not just that, you can use this for revision also. Maybe you're scoring really good and you're like, okay, let me check, can I actually solve the previous year papers? So the last 2 year papers are the best to actually check your level of confidence and gauge where you really stand. So these books obviously are for all the kind of students. Maybe you are doing self preparation, or maybe you are just preparing for JEE mains and like exams like VIT-EEE, SRM and all of that, or who want to get a real feel of the examination and you want to study in the top-notch engineering colleges. If these are your goals and targets, then this is the perfect book for you. And this particular combo of physics, mathematics and chemistry, which is worth 2,200 rupees, is right now for 1,098 rupees. The link is there in the description box. You need to fill in all your details and it will be couriered to you as soon as possible. The link which is there in the description box will open this particular link up, this page which has all the details over here and how the book feels like and how the printing is like, so you can get a feel of it. And then you click on buy it now and you will see that the coupon code should be applied over here. Enter your number, enter your address properly, your billing details, that's it, and say pay now. It will be couriered to you within the next couple of days. And you can start your preparation of PYQs and get that confidence which you truly deserve. So, my dear students, I hope it's absolutely clear why this book is necessary, especially the hard copy version and especially the recent years, which will give you what the examiners, that is NTA's mindset, is all about. So don't delay this because time is running out. 1,098 rupees is the discount price instead of 2,200, less than half the cost. Okay, all the best, my dear students, and God bless you all, and hopefully you crack the JEE mains with amazing flying colors and amazing results and make you, your parents, your entire community extremely proud. This was your Captain Shreyas. I've been teaching, mentoring students for more than 13 years and producing the best top-notch results in the country. Thank you very much. Bye bye. Take care.